cancer last year, and it was so amazing that my husband has now regained his health. It did not only benefited him, but it also benefited our whole family. And I am happy because we have shared this to a lot of our friends already.
In terms of product, yung hemorrhoid ko, yung gout ko, yung insomnia, yung back pain. So, almost everything addressed in just one capsule. So, all in na siya, kaya sobrang ganda. You need to try it.
The product has helped me regain my health because I started out as a diabetic. I had a lot of health issues, a lot of health conditions. Just a few weeks on this product, I feel so much better. Now I'm fully recovered. I don't have the maintenance that I used to have.
Ang wife ko ay dating asthmatic. Ngayon, mga 3 taon na, wala na siyang atake ng asthma. Meron kaming anak na babae, special child siya. Ngayon ay okay na din. Matino na yung kanyang pag-aaral, hindi na siya parang katulad noon. Ngayon ay talagang okay na okay siya. Kaya bilib na bilib ako talaga dun sa produkto na ito. Sa akin naman, I'm already 73 years old. You look, tingnan mo naman, okay pa naman yung aking itsura. At nakakapag-bike pa ako ng on the average 30 kilometers every day. So, malaki talagang tulong sa akin yung produkto nito.
Before I was introduced to this product, my life was a little bit hard because of my illness. Kasi 15 years I have lupus, systemic lupus erythematosus. Dati mahirap talagang mag-work kasi konting mahirapan ka lang sa work or ma-stress, magbabag down yung body mo, yung katawan mo. So, maraming beses na hospitalized, naka-confine. So, dapat magstay lang sa bahay. Nung trinay ko yung product, everything changed. Ang unang nawala is yung pain. Wala nang masyadong problema. Malaki talaga yung nabago in terms of sa health ko.
Before I use this product, hirap akong lumakad. Ang shoulder ko, di ko maigalaw. Nakakaawa, umiiyak po ako. Paggising ko sa umaga, kailangang mangapit ako. And then, but still, kailangan kong pumasok sa office kasi may mga anak pa po ako nag-aaral. And then, nung mag-take ako, eto, sobra healthy. And then, every time na mag-attend ako ng mga reunion sa province, nagtataka sila, bakit, ano bang sikreto mo? Bakit parang ikaw ang pinakabata sa amin? Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, yun lang. Ito lang yun. Malalaman ninyo kung mag-join kayo sa company ito. Yun po lang ang naging sikreto ko kung bakit bumata ako ng, I don't know, pero I think, basta marami na nag-appreciate eh. Sobrang bata ko na raw.
Before I had this spinal ailment, and it would always be recurring every year. And there was a time when I could barely walk. You know, I was bedridden for a few days already, and then I was able to take this product. And not only did I get well from that ailment, but also the other health challenges that I had, you know, like migraines and body aches and pains, nawala rin po because of this amazing product that we have, and this health supplement that we have.
When I took this product, it's the first time na nakita ng ninang ko na, wow, Alvin, ganda ng lab result mo. But then, hindi ko sa kanya sinasabi yung product. Yung tita ko, she has a frozen shoulder. Yung mother ko, which is a stroke patient for 4 years. And I have a high SGPT. And then, my sister-in-law, summarize it, lahat kami naging okay with the product. Natulungan ng product.
Sa ngayon, very good na. Is very healthy. Malaking improvement sa kanya. Ay nako, grabe. Ay, malaking improvement sa kanya sa heart failure niya, sa DM niya, sa prostate cancer niya, sa hearing niya. ang dami-daming improvements. Very, very, very thankful kami sa product na to. And not only yung father ko yung nagtitake ngayon, it's the entire family.
This product actually helped my son. Meron siyang skin asthma from birth, but I've tried actually everything, all other food supplements in the market. We went to different derma from birth nga until he was 21 year old actually. A good thing, a friend of mine, his Ninang, introduced me to this product. Amazingly, this product helped him really a lot with his condition. Now he's okay and his skin is glowing.
Dahil po sa tulong po ng product ko na yun, yung dalawang buhay na mga taong mahal ko sa buhay, which is yung lola ko, nagkaroon ng bukol sa kanyang left shoulder, and yung aking tito na iba-bypass surgery is nadugtungan pa.
Malaki ang naitulong sa aking tatay, especially nung siya po ay nagkaroon ng uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled hypertension. In fact, hindi po siya, nag-50-50 na siya hindi sinugas sa hospital. Pero ito po ay talagang nagbigay sa kanya ng kalakasan. Siya po ay patuloy na nagtitake ng amazing product that we have.
The platform goes with an amazing product, and I myself is a beneficiary of that. I have this difficulty in breathing. Well, to a medical term, they call it asthma, allergic rhinitis, and without this amazing product, I could have not known that I have that severe case already. And you know what? With that product that we have, it saved me. And without the product, I would not be standing before you today. And not only that, it makes you also look younger and much more stronger.
My mother-in-law, si Nanay Linda, meron siyang skin disease, which we brought her already sa mga doctors. After a few days, we were all surprised. Dahil pagtingin namin sa legs niya, hindi naman ultimately nawala lahat, pero unti-unti siyang nawala. And after around siguro mga 2 weeks, her legs were clear. Wala na yung mancha. And one thing more, meron siyang parang bukol dito. Di namin alam what that lump was. After a few days, nung tinignan namin, wala na yung lump dito. Ang natira na lang yung excess skin na naging result ng lump. And I believe na napakaganda nung tinake ng aking mother-in-law.
Ang laking improvement sa body ko. Kasi recently, nagpa-lab ako. Ang sabi ng doktor sa akin, lahat ng bad bumaba. At the same time, lahat ng mga kaklase ko, kaibigan ko, sinasabi, nag-improve talaga yung skin ko kaysa sa dati, tsaka less stress. Parang ang dami-daming nabago sa buhay ko mula nung tinake ko yung product. Dahil sa sobrang gusto ko rin itong i-share sa iba para makatulong, para sila din maging healthy.
Dahil sa platform na to, malaking tulong sa pamilya ko, sa nanay ko, nawala yung kanyang gaston. Tapos yung tinitake niyang 7 na gamot para sa kanyang maintenance. Hindi na siya umiinom ngayon.
I'm a diabetic. My blood sugar lowers down. At the same time, hindi na tuloy na nabulag ako because when I came to know the product, I have a bulging eyes, I have inflammation and even on my skin. But after 7 days, the product really had helped me, and now there are some medications that was taken away by my doctor because of the result of the product I had been using that comes along with this platform.